Hi everybody, my name is Nobile and I'm a teaching artist and arts coach with KidSmart, and today we're going to write acrostic poems. All you need is something to write with and some paper. What's an acrostic poem? An acrostic poem is a type of poem where the first letter of each line spells out a word. First, you have to think of a word. For example, what's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a cat. So first, I'll write the word cat down the side of my page, C-A-T. Then I'll think of words that describe a cat that begin with each letter of the word. For example, C could be for curious, A for adorable, and T for twitching tails. I can add more words to make my acrostic poem even more descriptive, like this. C, curiously creeping through the house at night. A, adorable when they sleep, curled up like a donut. T, tails twitch as they play with string. It's fun to try to write a poem about the word you choose, but you can also be silly, like in this example. C, cheese doodle. A, alien brains. T, turnip soup. You can write an acrostic poem about anything. Your favorite animal, your name, your family members' names, your favorite food, different kinds of weather, the title of a song, or even a piece of furniture. Couch, C-O-U-C-H. If you want an extra challenge, try to write a poem where each line starts with a different letter of the alphabet. This is called an Abecedarian. To make it even harder, try to make most of the words start with the same letter. This is called alliteration. I'll get you started. A, alligators ate all of the artichokes at the aquarium. B, blue balloons always burst when bustling in the breeze. You can use my lines to get you going, or write your own and try to do the whole alphabet. So go ahead, be creative, have fun, and try to write your own acrostic poems or abecedarians. When you have a bunch, you can gather them together and put them in a book of your very own. Let me know how it goes.